Hi guys, so this is Equal Achievers of Peter. As you can see my face right here, this is the CEO of Everything Shopping and the face behind this YouTube channel. So if you are coming across my YouTube channel for the first time, please endeavor to subscribe and hit the notification button so that whenever we have any new post on our website or our YouTube channel, you'll be notified on time. All right, so in this video I'm going to tell you how to start China mini importation business. All right, but before we head to where we're going to know the difference between importation and mini importation. So importation is simply buying product from other country to our own country to sell for profit. While mini importation simply because we are buying in small quantity and reselling it in our country for profit, for massive profit. Alright, so maybe you may be asking yourself, is this really legit? Is it profitable? Let me take you around. Let me just show you how I started my business in 2020 on my Facebook page. Alright, so this is everything in shopping Facebook page, and let me show you some of our product that we bought in the year 2020. As you can see, so right there is my name, and some of the products we've purchased from China and made lot of profit during the year after lockdown 2020. I believe you can all see my face right there. So I'm going to go back to answer some questions. What can we import from China? What can one start importing for profit? Alright, literally you can import anything from China, things ranging from fashion and clothing, shoes, watches, sunshades, accessories like custom necklace, bracelets, kitchen electronics and gadgets, school bags, interior decoration stuff, healthcare products, and so on and so forth. Alright, now what do you need to start importation business? What do you need to start importation business? Basically, you don't need much. Alright, the first thing you need to start importation business is your phone and a laptop and a good internet connection. Then you may need your email address, your home address, and your phone number. Then a small capital as low as 25 or 45,000. I'm going to show you how you can start with as low as such amount. Alright, so now how do I start? How do someone start? What are the processes that you go through to do or to start importing from China? Alright, if we want to start importing from China, we basically have two basic wholesale price sites where we get product as low as the factory prices. So the first thing I'm going to do is to click on the Chrome browser. If you don't have Chrome browser, please download it. So I'm going to click on this Chrome browser right here. I'm going to click on this Chrome browser and open it. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do, next thing I'm going to do is to visit this website called 1688.com. So I'm going to hit on enter. Alright, so this is the home page of 1688.com. You can see it's written in English, but if you open it on your phone, you'll be seeing it written in Chinese language. So the only thing you need to do is to click on the three dot. Let me show you guys. Oh, hold on. So what you need to do is to click on this three dotted icon right here, and when you click on it, you're going to see something like desktop site. You're going to check this thing on, and then after reloading, you are going to click on translate so that you'll be able to translate the content of the website to English. All right, so that's by the way. So right here you can see the products that you can buy from China. We have money counter, we have gadgets, we have hair dryers, you have watches, you have many things you can think of. If I want to go and look for them category by category, so this section here is where we can go through. You can go through women clothing and accessory, men clothing and underwears, accessories. You can go through sports apparels, you can go through home furniture and all, beverages, digital products and etc. Alright, so let me just briefly say the method or the ways that we can do, or what we can do to do what, to successfully import our products from China. Alright, so let's assume I want to buy bags from China. I want to buy bags from China. What do I do? I'm going to search for the product bags. So I'm going to click on the search bar over here, right here. I'm going to click on this bar right here and search the word bags. Or rather, I'm going to use this icon here that has camera here to do what? To search for that product picture on this whole website. Alright, but I'm going to, this is not a detailed video. I've actually made a detailed video about how to do all these things on my channel. So if you come across this video, look for other related video of this channel to do what? To watch for the step by step on how I do my product sourcing from China. So right now we're going to check on some fancy handbags and fancy handbags and their prices from China. All right. Okay, right now I'm going to click on the search bar. The search bar is here. I'm going to click on this search bar and enter the word, the keyword bag. So I'm going to type in bags here, or should I say ladies, yeah, I'm going to type ladies bag and click on enter. Let's see what we are going to get. Alright, from what we can see here, we can see bags of 9.9 yuan. Let me put it out so that you guys will be seeing 9.9 yuan, 9.5, 35 yuan, 5.87. Now, let me calculate something for you guys. Let's actually open one of these bags. I'm going to open this black one. Let's look at the price. Okay, from this bag, I think it comes with a video. Let's see what the video is all about, whether they posted the bag or they posted their company's video. Let's see. All right, all right, actually we are seeing the video of the bag. We are seeing the video of the bag. So the supplier posted the video of the handbag, and as you can see from the video, it's exactly as seen. It's exactly as seen. So this bag costs 12.82 RMB, 12.82 RMB. And what I'm seeing here, three under here, means you're going to buy from three pieces of this bag. You're going to buy from this supplier three pieces of this bag. And if you check my other videos, you will notice that I explained everything about this section. Please don't get afraid, don't be confused because I'm using the app. That's why it's not written in English for now. But if you're using your browser, it will be written in English. Please pardon me. I'm actually good using the app, so I know my ways around. But if you are watching my other videos, you will notice I explained all these other sections here. All these things that you're seeing here, I explained it. All these things I explained it. All these things I explained it on my other videos. So we're going to make a rough estimate of how much this bag costs in Nigeria. So I'm going to use my calculator here. So from what the price says, we have 12.82 yuan, and we're buying it by three pieces. 12.82 yuan, right, times 3 is 38.46 yuan, and the exchange rate today is 108 naira. So 1 yuan is equivalent to 108 yuan. So I'm going to multiply this to 108 yuan. So guys, we are buying these bags, three of these bags, for 4,153 naira 68 kobo. This is what we are buying this bag at. Let's look at other bags and see if we can still see other cheaper bags. Alright, I think we even have other cheap items right here. Okay, let me look at this particular bag. Let's see this particular bag. As you can see, this one is 6.8 yuan, and we're buying from three pieces upward. Let's do the calculation again. 6.8 times 3 is equals to 20 yuan, multiplied by 108. We're buying three of these bags for 2,203 naira 4 kobo. Wow, guys. And I know these bags are selling here around 5,000 in Nigeria. Guys, you can see the quality. You can see the quality with me, right? You can see the quality. All right, that's just by the way. Now, let's assume I want to buy this product right here. Let's assume I want to buy this product right here. What do I need to do? So the only thing I can do here is just to click and hold on this section here. Let me show you guys. So since I'm using the app, I'm going to click on this title corner here. I'm going to click and hold it till it tells me that it has copied. So I'm going to click here and hold it. You can see that notification there. You can see below my screen here, I have something like copy. See it here. I have something like copied here. So since I've copied the link. This link leads to this bag. This link leads to this bag. All I need to do is to go to my WhatsApp. So I have my agent, we have our buying agent and we have our shipping agent. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my agent. She's a Chinese. You can see I've dropped some of my orders with her before, and I've made my order with her before. And there was this particular message was when I was telling her about a product that came not complete, and she helped me to get a refund for me. And this is me trying to procure that product again because I got a refund from the supplier. All right, look at it here. Look at where she told me that the supplier refunded me. Let's see, this is it. So in case you are saying this China something is a scam or is not a scam, my dear, it's a scam if you didn't learn it from a proper coach. All right, you are going to get scammed if you don't learn from a proper coach. Now I'm going to send my orders like this. I'm going to paste the link on her DM. So I'm going to paste this link on her DM. This is how we make the order. So I'm going to write this thing as link 1. All right, so this is the product ID. I'm going to click it like this. I'm going to tell her to buy black 3 pieces, blue and black 3, blue 2, and let's say peach 10. Then I'm going to do the total of it. I will now say total 15 pieces. You understand? Then I'm going to send it to my supplier to do what? To procure and buy these items for me. All right, I don't need this thing. Actually, I'm not buying this, so I don't need to keep it. I'm going to delete it. So this is the simplest way we're going to do the order from China. And then when after sending her the link, what now comes to you? The second phase which is the procurement stage, which is what we just practicalize right now. Let me show you something with my old orders. Let me show you something with my old order. Alright, so guys, this is one of my orders I made around 8th of March. 8th of March. So this is the link 1, this is the link 2, link 3, and you can see link 4, the link and the specification of the product and how many it should be. So after sending her the links, she will help me and check out and tell me how much it's going to cost me in what? In naira. So as you can see right here, we have 106,000 naira for those products. Alright, so I paid her 106,000 naira, 106,150 naira. After confirming, she's going to use this as my logistics details. So this is my shipper's address and all. Alright, and then she's going to write all my name and my phone number on the parcel and send to my shipping company. Then 2 days after, 3 days after, sorry, she sent me a tracking number of those goods. So I used this product tracking number and I confirmed with my shipping address, my shipping company, that they've gotten this item. Let me show you guys. Alright, look at it. On the 11th of what? Of March, I gave it to my shippers to confirm that they've gotten the item, and they confirmed all of it available. So I told them okay, they are complete, they can ship for me, and they asked me the shipping method. I told them it's going to be cargo, normal cargo Hong Kong, and that is by the way, and that is how it all happened. Then around, let me check again. Let me check. Pick up. Now, around 5th of April, because these are battery goods. Battery goods takes approximately 3 weeks to come back, but if there are just non-battery goods, it takes 2 weeks, that's 14 days, 12 to 14 days to arrive. So on the 5th of April my goods landed, and I paid them for the shipping and the clearing, which was around 25,000 naira, and I was able to do what? Clear my goods and got my goods at my place. I'm not even in Lagos, so I picked up in Onitsha, Anambra State. Let me show you guys one of my videos. Alright guys, so this is my video when the goods landed. This is my video. You can see my name, Ekwalo Chibuzo Onitsha. So this is the video when the
Alright, as you
items
can see
landed.
how
Alright,
it's
this
neatly
contains
worry about how
smartwatches.
your
Let me see you. Where? Okay, look at it.
Yowa, as you can see, these are smartwatches. This is our smartwatch.
So as you can see, we don't teach what we don't practice. As you can see, we don't teach what we don't practice. These are some of the live pictures of the products. These are some of the live pictures of the products. As you can see, very fine wristwatches and gadgets from China, directly from China guys. Apparently these smartwatches that you are here cost me, sorry for that interruption. So these smartwatches cost me about 8,500 naira to land, on the landing cost of each costs around 8,500 naira. So I'm selling them for 18,000 naira. I'm selling them for 18,000 naira. That's roughly times two of the product cost price. And this one right here, let me check. This one right here, the one that comes with the Ultra 8, this one that comes with double strap and earpod, this one cost around 10,000 to get each, but we are selling it here for 25,000 naira. That's roughly 15,000 naira profit. So if you are thinking of starting any profitable business this 2023, guys, think about mini importation. So this is the live photograph of the i8 Ultra. As you can see, this is the live photograph of it. So I'm not probably going to teach you what I don't do. I'm teaching you from experience. I'm teaching you what I've been doing since 2020 on my importation training class. So if you have the interest to join in our next importation training class, please contact me on WhatsApp. I'm going to keep my link on the bio, on the comment section, or on the description of the video. So if you have interest to join our Telegram importation masterclass, which is going to 10,000 naira, but when you want to DM me, if you are coming from this YouTube channel, please text me YouTube as promo code. YouTube as promo code. When you text me YouTube as promo code, you are getting the offer on our advanced importation class for 50% discount, which is 5,000 naira. And what you are going to learn, you're going to learn more of how you're going to sell your products. You're going to learn more of how to source for products. You're going to get contact of suppliers. You're going to get contact of hair suppliers, shoes, PDF of my agent, all the shipping companies you've been using in the year. I'm going to teach you how to sell your products with a strategy I use. Alright, so if you feel like you have interest on this, you want to change your financial status, you want to start something worth it this year, guys, don't relent. But what I've shown you on this video is just more of a summary of what I do and how I do it. If you want to learn more to know the ropes and to know the ropes of how everything works, please send me a message on WhatsApp. This is my WhatsApp contact: 08166907113. 08166907113. Alright, that's where you can contact me. Thank you for watching this. I hope you learned something. I hope you can start up a business. If you need any guidance or any question, you can always Do that on the comment section or contact me on WhatsApp. Thank you.